Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. Autoplay can be a convenient feature, but sometimes we prefer to have more control over our viewing experience. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will open your account settings. Step 3. Locate the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Step 4. In the settings menu, find and tap on Autoplay. This will take you to the Autoplay settings. Step 5. Finally, toggle the Autoplay switch to the off position. This will disable Autoplay and give you full control over what you watch next. Congratulations! You've successfully turned off autoplay on YouTube. Now you can enjoy browsing and selecting videos without any surprises. Remember, with autoplay off, you have the power to choose what to watch next. Enjoy a more personalized and intentional viewing experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.